Giant Schnauzers originated from the Bavarian Alps somewhere around the mid-1800s. They were bred from a standard Schnauzer to be a working dog to herd cattle from a farm to the market. Giant Schnauzers were also used as guard dogs, primarily for innkeepers, farmers, or merchants. Later, once railroads were built and make it unnecessary for the giant Schnauzers to herd the cattle, the breed worked alongside the police and military in Europe. Giant Schnauzers are a very large breed of dog that is black in color. They have a very loyal and protective temperament and can make a good family dog for families with older children. They are also a hypoallergenic breed as their dense and wiry coats do not shed very much. There are a few common health issues to be aware of before you bring home a giant Schnauzer. While all dogs in this breed will not necessarily develop all, or even any, of these issues, knowing what to look out for can help make sure you catch health problems as early as possible. Dental disease is one potential issue that giant Schnauzers may suffer from. Dental disease begins with tartar buildup, which if not properly cleaned can cause damage to the teeth or even organs. Giant Schnauzers may also suffer from viral or bacterial infections. These include rabies, parvo, and distemper. Since many of these can be prevented with a vaccine, it is very important to make sure you stick with the recommended vaccination schedule for your giant Schnauzer. Obesity is another health concern for giant Schnauzers. When giant Schnauzers suffer from obesity, it can lead to heart disease, digestive disorders, back pain, and other potentially serious issues. Make sure you are feeding your dog the recommended amount of food and giving him or her enough exercise to prevent obesity from becoming a problem. To review, some common health issues giant Schnauzers may face include dental disease, bacterial and viral infections, obesity. Giant Schnauzers have a relatively quiet temperament. This breed is very loyal to their family and those they trust, but they can be suspicious of new people or places. In most cases, giant Schnauzers are more laid back, but some do exhibit aggressive traits when they feel threatened. Giant Schnauzers were bred to be working dogs, so they also have a more alert personality. Because of their breeding, they're also used to more mental stimulation and may become bored easily, which can lead to destructive behaviors. Giant Schnauzers can also make a good family dog and can generally be trusted around older children. Each dog breed is unique, and giant Schnauzers are no exception. As you prepare to care for a giant Schnauzer, it is important to keep their temperament, health concerns, dietary needs, and other factors in mind. Giant Schnauzers should be fed high-quality large breed dog food. Some giant Schnauzers who are overweight could benefit from a weight control formula. In general, giant Schnauzers need between 3 3/8 and 4 1/4 cups of food each day. This food should be split into 2 services. The exact amount of food that is right for your giant Schnauzer can vary based on their age, weight, activity level, health concerns, and other factors, so check with their veterinarian if you are unsure how much food he or she should eat. Schnauzer puppies should eat puppy food designed for large breed puppies. Puppies have a smaller stomach and will need to eat smaller meals more frequently throughout the day. When puppies are between 8 and 12 weeks old, they should be fed 4 meals a day, and puppies between 3 and 6 months old should be fed 3 meals a day. Once puppies are 6 months old, 2 meals a day should be sufficient. Weekly brushing is important to maintain a giant Schnauzer's wiry and dense coat. They have a double coat that is water resistant. The coat has a harsher and rough outer coat with a softer undercoat. Giant Schnauzers may also need to be groomed by a professional, or their owner will need to learn how to groom them properly to maintain their appearance. Giant Schnauzers are hypoallergenic. their coats do not shed very much. Don't forget about checking your dog's ears regularly as well. Clear loose dirt or debris and check for signs of infection. A giant schnauzer's nails will also need regular trimming to prevent them from getting too long and making it painful for the dog to walk. Additionally, their teeth should be brushed a few times each week. Giant schnauzers are highly intelligent dogs, which can make them easier to train than some other breeds. They have a very protective instinct and need to be taught proper ways to act. Giant schnauzers are also bred to be working dogs and do best when they are given a job to do, even if it is something like retrieving a toy. Giant schnauzers can do very well in agility courses, obedience training, and other dog sports. Giant schnauzers need lots of activity and do best with owners who live a more active lifestyle. Long walks or hikes, trips to the dog park, or playing with your giant schnauzer in a large, fenced-in backyard are examples of ways you can help him get the exercise he needs. Before you bring a giant schnauzer home with you, there are a few things you'll want to do. First, make sure your house is set up and puppy-proof so that it is a safe spot for your puppy to be. You should also select a veterinarian and schedule an appointment to take place very soon after you bring the giant schnauzer home. Also, be sure to shop for food, a leash and collar, a dog bed, toys, and other essential supplies you'll need for a new dog. Once your new giant schnauzer is home, begin training and potty training as soon as possible to get him or her used to expectations. You should also socialize your dog, so they learn how to act around other dogs, people, and places. Giant schnauzer puppies will need to eat smaller meals more often throughout the day as well.